Hi there. Let me introduce you to Cortado, a multimodal customer experience agent that is powered entirely by the Google stack. Cortado flips the script on how CX agents are built. It does not use complex workflows, RAG pipelines, vector databases, or complex intent routers. All you need to do is give Cortado a policy document that tells it how to behave, where to look for answers, what to search for, and how to respond. And it just interacts with you. It uses multiple modalities, so you can give it video, audio, images, and it just kind of works with you to solve an issue. During the course of the demo, we will be using resend to look at emails. These emails won't deliver to an actual inbox, but we will see it over here on the interface. We can also monitor what's happening with Cortado in the Cloud Run observability logs, so it can actually show you in detail what's going on with the agent that has been deployed in Google Cloud. You have all technical details in the GitHub repo that I've added to the description. All right. So what we're seeing here is Cortado has two policy documents. One is for the Wahoo KICKR persona. The other is for Garmin watches. And as soon as I switch to personality, everything changes in Cortado. So maybe let's give this a try with Wahoo KICKR. I'm going to switch on video, and then I'm going to give it some audio. Hey there, I don't think my trainer is working.
Hey, I can see your Wahoo trainer there. What's going on with it? Is it not pairing or something else?
Well, what can you see?
I'm looking at the indicator lights on your trainer, and it looks like none of the lights are currently lit up. That's probably why it's not working. Have you tried plugging and unplugging it to see if that does anything?
All right, let's see. I am replugging it, and it looks like the light has still not come on. What can I do?
That's strange. I can see the light on your power adapter is green, so the wall power is working. Since the trainer lights aren't coming on, let's check the connection to the trainer itself. Can you make sure it's plugged in securely at the trainer end?
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see that connection you're holding right there. It looks like the
What can you see now?
power cable might not be fully connected. Is your trainer not powering on or cutting out during a ride? Oh, cool. I'm looking at the indicator lights on your trainer now. I can see a solid green light. Based on the Wahoo support docs, a solid green light typically means the trainer is powered on and ready to ride. Since we were just checking the power connection, that's a good sign. What exactly are you trying to do? And
Actually, I want to connect it to a Swift, but I don't have the time. Can you just email me the instructions?
Gotcha. And I can see in that new image that you're rocking the KICKR core. Sweet. I can definitely send you the steps for connecting to Swift. To do that and create a support ticket, could I grab your email address quickly?
Sure, it's cortado232323@gmail.com.
No problem. I've got that for you.
So one of the things that you noticed here is that I was able to interrupt the flow of the conversation, and it's catching up with what it's seeing on the camera fairly quickly. It's keeping up with me. This is that Gemini Live API magic in action. So now let's look at resend over here. We're looking for an email, and it looks like it sent me an email right here. Then we can see what's happening in the logs over here. Let's try the Garmin watch persona. Hey there. My Garmin watch seems to give me those move notifications, and I just want to switch it off. Can you help me with it?
Cortado here. Visual confirmed. That's likely a Garmin Forerunner 255S.
Well, are you sure? Because I don't think it's a Forerunner 255S at all.
Or via the app. Follow these steps. Hold up to access the menu. Negative. The visual is unclear. I can't confirm the model. Show me the back of the watch. The model number is engraved there.
Can you see it?
Roger. That is a Forerunner 970. Confirmed by the model number.
All right, just give me step-by-step instructions because I'm not the smartest person here.
Understood. Disabling notifications is straightforward. You can do it directly on the watch or through the Garmin Connect app. We'll go through the watch first. Follow these steps. Hold the middle left button to access the menu. Navigate
All right, what's happening now?
You're in the menu. Now use the up and down buttons middle left to scroll to watch settings. Select it using the start stop button. Top
What
right.
is the start, stop? Oh, top right. Got it. Okay. Where am I and where do I go from here?
Stay focused. Scroll down past focus modes and select health and.
Okay. Now what do I do?
Scroll down and select move alert.
Okay. What do you see?
My mistake. Move IQ is different from the move alert. Move IQ automatically detects movement.
All right, now I'm confused because you said something about Move IQ and then you said something about Move Alerts. Can you just email me all this information? Or maybe you can explain the difference between the two to me.
Apologies for the confusion. Move alert provides the notification you want to disable.
So one of the things that we notice here is that every time I interrupt it and give it a different direction, it actually follows the policy document. So if you look at the session here, it actually goes in and it looks for the difference between the two before it confirms. So this tells me that it's not hallucinating. All right, can you just please email all of this information to me? I think it's better if I can read it over there.
Email confirmed. Cortado 2323.
And now you can see that even though my speech to text was a little bit off, maybe I was going too fast, it still confirms the right email to me. So Gemini kind of catches everything. Even when we were looking at a camera and we were moving around and it was a little blurry, it was still able to understand what I was doing. And to me, this is incredible. So let's see if that email ever got here. Oh, wow. Okay, I can see my Garmin email here. So over here, you can see it's given me the email with a GRM prefix. It's said that the issue is still pending because it's trying to give me, it gives me like a summary and all of that. As opposed to that, awesome. And did you notice that the Garmin watch persona was completely different from the KICKR persona? Let me switch back to the Wahoo KICKR screen to see how it can help me. Hey there, can you give me instructions on how to connect this to Zwift?
Hey, I can see that looks like a KICKR core setup you have there. Nice. Connecting it to Zwift is pretty straightforward. First things first, you'll need to make sure the KICKR is powered on, which I can see the green light is on, so you're good there. Also, it's super important to check for any firmware updates using the Wahoo Fitness app before you
I
connect.
don't even think it's a firmware thing. Would it help if you could see my Zwift app? Do you think that would help?
Yeah, seeing the Swift app would be super helpful. We can walk through the pairing process together. When you show me your screen and I'll guide you.
Okay, let me show you my screen. Hang on. Okay, my Zwift app is right here. What do you see?
I see your screen. The Zwift app is loading right now. Once it gets past this screen, you should see a pairing screen to connect your trainer. Let's get you connected so you can get out on the virtual roads.
All right, see what's happening here. Although you saw the green light, can you see what's happening on my screen right now?
Yeah, I see the pairing screen now. It looks like the power source is searching. Since you're using a Mac...
Oh, wait a second. Look what happened here.
Whoa, awesome. It looks like your KICKR core is connecting now. I can see it's listed as KICKR Core B30F for power source.
Okay, wait, how do I connect my controls? Oh, actually, can you just email me that information?
Totally get that. It's no fun when you just want to ride. I can definitely email
My
you.
email is cortado232323@gmail.com.
That's a great question.
All right, so now I'm going to flip it to the Garmin watch persona. I'm going to ask it a question related to the Garmin. All right. Can you see my screen right now? And can you tell me how do I broadcast my heart rate to this Swift app from my Garmin?
Ah, gotcha. You've got your KICKR Core connected for power and cadence. I can see that in the Swift images. To get your Garmin heart rate broadcasting, it's a two-step process. First, you need to enable broadcasting on your Garmin watch. The specific way varies by model, but
Actually, let me ask the Garmin watch agent. Okay, so hey, I'm trying to broadcast my heart rate to my Swift app.
let's get your heart rate broadcasting. Stand by for heart rate broadcast procedure. Step 1. Access settings. Hold the middle left button to access the menu. Step 2. Navigate to health. Scroll down to health and wellness.
Right,
Then
can you actually just email me all of
Step
this
three.
information? All right, so it's not perfect, it's a demo, but did you just see that this was so super fast and so smooth? I just can't get over how it's able to see my screen and it's just interacting. I'm taking it for granted at this point in time, thinking that it's a production app, whereas it's just a demo. Thank you for your time and your attention.